The common knowledge that is in the Kenyan property market ni ati shamba ama nyumba ni title. But what most Kenyans don't understand is the kind of title or the kind of certificate that you get when you purchase certain properties. In Kenya, we have 3 types of titles, and one of them is freehold. Freehold title means that you own the land in perpetuity, and that means that you own the land from the time you purchase it until the end of time, unless you decide to sell it. Freehold titles are only applicable for Kenyan citizens. The second type of titles is leasehold titles, and those ones means that you own the land for a period or for a certain period of time. In most cases, the tenure of the title or the tenure of the property will be indicated in the document itself, and it varies from 20 years to a maximum of 99 years depending on the location and the purpose of that property. The third and the last type of a title is called sectional titles, and that is only available on apartments or semi-detached units. That means that you own a section of the entire property and you co-own the common areas. Today we are in the heart of Ruiru, Mugutha, and what we are showing you today is this gated estate of 10 units. The show house is ready. The prices are starting from 23.5 million Kenya shillings, and the print area is 280 square meters. Each unit has been constructed on a 50 by 100 lot of land, and as I mentioned earlier, we are in the heart of Ruiru. To be specific, we are in Mugutha. What you can be guaranteed of this area is the access to all social amenities. For good schools, good hospitals, good recreational areas, this area or this locality ticks among the best. On top of this unit being a massive 4-bedroom all-en-suite mansion, the developer has given you an extra room on the roof deck which can act as an office, and for the people who like working out, that would be an excellent gym space. Every home in this gated estate will come with a double sliding gate, and that becomes very important, especially when you want to get in 2 cars with a lot of ease. The entrance porch has been done beautifully. I like how the developer has completed or has given a good finish to this unit. And one thing that you can notice from here is that the unit is enjoying a ton of natural light, because from here you can see how huge these windows are. What we have noticed is that the current buyer no longer concentrates on the structure only. That's why you can see most developers are trying to integrate greenery and the concrete structures. This developer has not been left behind. That's why you get a front yard over here, some good bamboo fencing over there, and if that is not enough, the developer has brought the greenery even to the main entrance. This is a concept that has been enforced by market dynamics, and we have to embrace it if we want to go forward. I'll take you inside. The home gets a double door, and this is very, very important, especially when you want to drag your big sofas inside. I like the size of this living room, and what fascinates me more is the high ceilings. This is very important, and it's very, very modern. Most developers do very complicated focal points, but this one is a bit different. He is a minimalist. That's why he gave you the bare minimum, but he executed it so well that it looks beautiful than the complicated focal points. I like it that you get a functional fireplace, and it has been done very well. I like it that it can change colors depending on the mood, and if you want to give your guest a smile, you can change the color of the fireplace. Very, very interesting. Natural light is very, very important. And in 2026, if you are not going to give people an indoor-outdoor environment, you are failing as a developer. This one is well guided. That's why he has given you a 12-foot window to make sure that you are getting a ton of natural light in this living room. On top of that, you get a transparent door, and you are also enjoying the open plan formula to make sure that the unit is very aerated. The living room is opening to the dining area. I like the proportions of these rooms and the size of them. As you can see, you can easily do a 12-seater dining set over here, and if that is not enough, the developer has given you this platform where you can do a breakfast table, and if you like enjoying your drink, this would be an excellent bar. A vanity is always necessary in Africa, and you are also going to get these 3 big windows in the dining space so that you can enjoy very good lighting as you are eating your meals. In these modern times, a normal kitchen is no longer being called a good kitchen if it's not functional. That's why this developer has made sure that his kitchen will be perfect for all the meals that will be prepared in this homestead. On my left hand side, you get a double sink where you can wash and rinse your utensils. You also get a platform for you to dry those utensils. A big window is very necessary because kitchens can be dirty, but when you have enough light, you'll be able to see all the dirty specks. On this other side, you have fixed appliances, which is a microwave, an oven, a 5-burner cooktop, and a heat extractor. That will make sure that all your cooking and baking is sorted. Here you have a space that has been left for your refrigerator, and you can do a pretty big refrigerator over here. For the storage of your food, you can keep them in the upper or lower cabinetry, or if you have some dry foods, you can always keep them in the pantry. The brown cabinetry is blending very well with the whiteness and the dark granite countertops in this space. What I like more is the big openings that you get in the windows, and they are giving this kitchen a lot of aeration. Still on this level, we have the common washroom and the guest bedroom. When we take the staircase to the upper level, we will be able to see the other 3 bedrooms and the gym space. The guest bedroom is the smallest. All bedrooms in this unit come en suite, and as I mentioned, the windows are very big and opposite the closets to make sure that it is easy for you to select your outfit during the day, and during the night you can use your artificial light, which is also sufficient. The closets have been partitioned very well, and the developer has made sure that he has given you all these spaces for the shoes. The bathrooms are coming standard with a WC on my right hand side, a vanity at the center, and a glass shower cubicle on my left hand side. I also like the quality of these doors. For more details about this estate, make sure you check out our website africanrealestate.com, and for the shorter versions of this video, make sure you check out our Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. If you're interested in purchasing one of the homes in this estate, always call us. Our number is displayed everywhere, especially down here. If you have been a follower of African real estate, you can agree with me that most developers are doing their primary bedrooms very well. But this developer is different. He has done it better and bigger. I like the ceiling heights, I like how the artificial lighting has been done, and I like it, the size of everything. Here you can easily do a king size, a queen size, or a customized bed, and you'll be left with a ton of space to do everything else that you have always desired to do. From outside, you could have noticed that these windows are massive, but let me show you how massive they are in terms of meters. 1, 2, 3, 4.5. That is the main window, 4.5 meters, and the developer thought that is not enough. That's why he added this window and this other window to make sure that the way you enjoy outdoor-indoor environment here feels different. If that is not enough, the developer also gave you a balcony. Let's see it. Apart from being a habitable location, Mugutha is very beautiful, and greenery is very well spread all over this area. If you want to access many amenities, this area is also perfect. And from this balcony, you'll be able to witness the freshness and the greenness that comes with this locality. The developer has given you a walk-in closet, and it has been partitioned very well to make sure that it fits the clothes of your partner and some of yours. The others can be hanged somewhere else. You're also getting a set of 3 drawers down there for the tiny garments. For the people who enjoy having a ton of shoes, the cabinets have been provided for them. The primary bathroom is the biggest, and it comes with a vanity over there, a shower cubicle here which is big enough for two, a bathtub jacuzzi which is excellent for one person, and behind the door you get your WC. This is a standard primary bathroom and it's quite convincing. On this level, you still get two other bedrooms that are targeting the children, and before we see that, I like the wall finishes and the wainscoting. The first kids' bedroom is a replica of the guest bedroom that we saw earlier. The only difference is that this one is just a tiny bit bigger. The window is massive. I like the ceiling heights, and I like how the gypsum ceilings have been done. The closet is here, slightly bigger than the one that we saw in the guest bedroom, coming with 3 drawers over there, spaces for the foldable clothes, and we have some extra spaces over here for the shoes. The bathroom is here, and it is adopting a similar concept to all the bathrooms that we saw area. The second kids bedroom on this level is targeting your teenagers. It comes with a slightly bigger closet to what we saw in the first bedroom, and the window is facing the front side of the unit. This is the only kids bedroom on this unit that has a balcony. We will see that in a sec. The bedroom also comes with a slightly bigger bathroom which enjoys this shower cubicle, a WC at the center, and it comes with a bidet sprayer, and a vanity is very necessary. This balcony gives you the best view of your compound, and if you're interested in purchasing a unit in this gated estate but you do not have all the money, you can take the ongoing ones and pay on installments. That can only happen if you call us right now. For the people purchasing these units, a pre-purchase inspection is very important because we don't like you being scammed. So call us and we will give you that before you do any purchase. If you have children in school, this room would act as a very good study. But kama watoto wako wote washasoma, this would be an excellent office, or maybe you can make it a small gym. I like it that it comes with some cabinetry over here, which would be very usable for those purposes. The window is also massive to give you a good view and enough natural light. At the entrance of the office, you have an access to the common washroom, which would be used by the people who are enjoying the roof deck. You are also going to get solar water heaters as standard. The roof terrace is very beautiful, and it has one purpose: to give you the best sunrise, or to give you the best vitamin D. So if you want to relax, if you want to host, this is the excellent point. If you would be interested in purchasing this property, we will be honored to serve you. My name is Mugai Kihara, and you just watched African Real Estate. Bye bye.